In this unit, you will learn words for people and things in a classroom. You will learn how to make statements with be. For example, I am a student. He is a teacher. You will learn how to use contractions. For example, you're a student. She's a teacher.
I am a teacher. You are a student. It is a pencil. He is a student. She is a student. They are students.
We are students.
I am a teacher. I'm a teacher. Sometimes we say I am, and sometimes we say I'm. Watch and listen.
I am a student. I'm a student. You are a student. You're a student.
She is a student. She's a student.
He is a student. He's a student.
They are students. They're students.
We are students. We're students.
It is a pencil. It's a pencil.
Contractions. I am. I'm. You are. You're. He is. He's. She is. She's. It is. It's. We are. We're. They are. They're.
I'm not a student. You're not a teacher. It's not a pencil. He's not a teacher. She's not a teacher. They're not teachers.
We're not teachers.
Negative statements with be. I'm not a teacher. You're not a teacher. She's not a teacher. He's not a teacher. It's not a pencil. We're not teachers. You're not teachers. They're not teachers.
What's your name?
I'm Ingrid. What's your name?
I'm Eric. Are you a student?
Yes, I am. Are you the teacher?
No, I'm not. I'm a student.
Nice to meet you, Eric.
Nice to meet you too.
Let's use the alphabet to learn some vocabulary. Look at this picture. It's a picture of me. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. I'm a teacher. I teach English. Show me your teacher. S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S. Students. You are students. You study English. Show me the students. Yes, you are students. C-H-A-R-T. I-R. Chair. This is a chair. Show me a chair. B-O-O-K. Book. This is a book. Show me a book. Good. P-E-N. Pen. This is a pen. Do you have a pen? Show me your pen. Okay. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. This is a piece of paper. Show me your paper. Good.
This is Celia. Her first name is Celia. Her last name is Perez. This is Celia. Her first name is Celia. Her last name is Perez. Celia lives with Mrs. Garcia. She works for Mrs. Garcia. Celia lives with Mrs. Garcia. She works for Mrs. Garcia.
Thank you, Celia. You are a wonderful cook.
Thank you.
Sit down.
This is Celia's daughter. Her name is Lorena. Lorena is a student. She has homework. Lorena asks Celia, "Can you help me, Mama?" This is Celia's daughter. Her name is Lorena. Lorena is a student. She has homework. Lorena asks Celia, "Can you help me, Mama?"
How was school?
We have homework. Mama, we need to practice spelling.
Spelling? Spelling?
Look. Fruit. F-R-U-I-T. The letters spell fruit.
Ah, I understand. Letters. Mrs. Garcia, I need more English.
You should go to school. When you learn more English, you can help Lorena with her spelling.
Celia is at the adult school. She's a student in the English class. She's learning the alphabet in English. Celia is at the adult school. She's a student in the English class. She's learning the alphabet in English.
Mom, I have a spelling test. Can you help me?
Oh, spelling. Good. Okay, Lorena. Spell book.
B-O-K.
B-O-O-K.
Right. It's a book. It's a pencil. It's a pen. It's paper. It's a notebook. It's a clock. Good. Now look at the pictures and answer my questions. What's this? It's a pen. What's this? It's a book. What's this? It's a clock. What's this? It's a notebook. What's this? It's a chair. What's this? It's a pencil. What's this? It's a table. Very good.
Class, class, class. Student, student, student. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Backpack, backpack, backpack. Book, book, book. Chair, chair, chair. Clock, clock, clock. Eraser, eraser, eraser. Notebook, notebook, notebook. Paper, paper, paper. Pen, pen, pen. Pencil, pencil, pencil. Table, table, table.
How do you spell backpack?
B-A-C-K-P-A-C-K. Backpack.
How do you spell eraser?
E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser.
How do you spell notebook?
N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Notebook.
I need more English.
I don't understand.
Can you help me?
Yes, I understand. Please spell that. Class. Student, student. Teacher, teacher. Backpack, backpack. Book, book. Chair. Clock, clock. Eraser, eraser. Notebook. Paper. Pen, pen. Pencil, pencil. Table, table.